So now let's just look at an example of IP addresses on a TCP/IP network. So you can see in the diagram that each and every device, whether Modbus or non-Modbus, has an IP address. And you're seeing 192.168.20.1.3.10.6.11 and .18. Notice what I was talking about before, how the IP address is sort of arranged like a geographic system. All of them start with 192.168.20, and then the discerning number, you can say, is the last number, because that goes down to the greatest granularity then. So any device that can connect to a TCP/IP based network will have a means whereby an IP address could be set up on it. So this brings me to another point that I want you to burn into your memory. Every Modbus TCP/IP device that you configure on a network must have an IP address, and that IP address will be set up by you. So there must be a way of configuring it. For instance, regardless of the device, whether it's a motor controller or a PLC or a VFD or whatever, there must be a way of setting the IP address through a keypad or connecting to it through a laptop and using configuration software or whatever, right? You must set an IP address, and it must be a unique IP address. You can't have a device with an IP address the same as one that's already existing on the network. All right, so it's the very first step in setting up any Modbus device to communicate on a TCP/IP network. You gotta set that IP address. Remember that one.